Hello guys, so welcome to the Economic Times Prime series. So we will be covering the news. This Tata Group stock turned 10,000 to 6 lakh in just 10 years. Shares of Tata Elxsi have offered massive returns to investors in the last 10 years, rising as much as 5,879%. Accordingly, if an investor has invested 10,000 in the stocks 10 years ago and stayed put, the investment would have turned to nearly 6 lakh, according to an analysis by the Economic Times Market. The shares have surged 513% in the last 5 years and nearly 907% in the last 3 years. Tata Elxsi is one of the world's leading providers of design and technology services in select industries, including automotive, media, telecom, healthcare, and transportation. The company works with leading OEM and supplier in the automotive and transportation industry for research and development, design, product, engineering services from architecture to launch and beyond. So, shareholders majority owned by the public shareholders 56.08%, and while promoters own the rest of the 43.92%. So, technical outlook: what should the investors do for the fourth quarter? Actually, the Tata Elxsi net profit rose 25% to 2,201 crore compared to the 160 crores a year ago, and revenue from operations rose 23% to 838 crore as against of 682 crore in the same quarter of the last year. So, technical outlook: what should the investors do? Analysts advise the investor to hold the stock at current level but avoid any fresh buying. The stock momentum indicator RSI is favorably positioned and it is exhibiting stronger relative strength compared to the benchmark indices. Currently, there is a pullback in the stock going upward movement, finding support at levels of 7,790 to 7,750. Given the scenario, we recommend holding the stock at the current market price of 7,825, and target range in the coming weeks is 8,000 to 8,200. It is advisable to set a stop loss at 7,633 to manage potential downside risks. Now, coming to the next news, these are the cementing growth. 5 mid and small cap cement stock with an upside potential of 29%. So, NCL Industries, Mangalam Cement, Century Textiles, Deccan Cements, and Orient Cements. These are small cap and mid cap stocks, and a strong buy and buy is the recommendation. So, NCL Industries is a business of manufacturing of cement, and Mangalam Cement Industry, as mentioned earlier, it is these are cement-based industries with high upside potential. So, coming to the third news, that is this 75 small cap stocks offering double digit returns in the wobbly market week. So, what are these small cap stocks? Greenlam Industries, top gainer in the small cap pack with nearly 30% return, followed by the EKI Energy Services, Suzlon Energy, Indian Humipipe Company. About 11 stocks including Car, TradeTech, HBL Power Systems, Mazagon, Dock, Hubash, Colorants, TTC Industries, and Tata Teleservices, among others, offered return between 20 to 25% during the week. Mid cap segment में आता है only 3 stocks, that is the Torrent Power, Hindustan Aeronautics, Ajanta Pharma rose in double digits while the Torrent Power gained 20.7%. HAL and Ajanta Pharma jumped 18%. 10%. The Sensex pack L&T topped the charts with 6%, followed by the Axis Bank at 5.2% and Tata Motors at 4.9%. Coming to the next news, these are the right mix for wealth creation for mid-cap stocks with high ROE and ROCE. JK Paper 361 WAM, Manappuram Finance, Angel One. This is a strong buy and buy recommendation. So, JK Paper Limited is a producer of paper and paper boards, and the company offers various products: office documentation papers, uncoated paper and board, coated papers, and packing board. 361 WAM Limited is formerly known as IIFL Wealth Management, as a company that is primarily engaged in wealth and asset management services, including financial asset distribution, broking, lending, credit and investment solutions, and asset and portfolio management. Manappuram Finance Limited is an NBFC. The company serves the credit requirements of people belonging to the lower socio-economic classes, particularly in the rural and the semi-urban areas in India, and the company offers a wide range of retail credit products and financial services. Angel One Limited is a full service retail brokerage company. The company is engaged in the business of stock, currency and commodity broking and providing margin trading facilities, depository services and distribution of mutual funds to its clients. So what is the methodology used in filtering the stocks? That is the average score with positive outlook, and these stocks are having average score of 8 and above, and strong buy and buy recommendation. Minimum upside potential of 14%, ROE is at least 16%, net profit margin is 18%, and institutional ownership is at least 9%. So coming to the next news, defense PSU stocks can further gain 19% in the next 2 quarters and up 286% in 1 year. Shares of Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders have delivered multi-bagger returns to the investors in the last 1 year, rising as much as 286%. The stock is in bull run for the last month due to the multiple triggers. It has risen 37% during this period. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders is one of India's leading shipbuilding yards, having evolved from single unit small ship repair company to a multi-unit and multi-product company. It is India's only shipyard to have the built destroyers and conventional submarines for the Indian Navy. So depends upon the price move. So we expect the bullishness to continue above the levels of 1000, which is good psychological figure for buyers, till the time the price is above 2000 DMA. We can also expect some bullishness in the stock. Mazagon Dock is a strong order backlog of 38,754 crore as of March 2023 and led by the 3 major contracts: 17A frigates, 15B destroyers and 75 submarines. Compared to its 2 PSU peers, it scores better in the terms of PAT margins and ROE. Mazagon Dock could be one such beneficiary of the government local push, and upcoming bids from the Defence Ministry could improve the order book. SDFC Securities said investors can buy in the 1009 to 1050 band and add more dips to 923 941 band for a base case target price of 1131. So in a bull case scenario, the fair value of the stock could further rise to 1231 over the next 2 to 3 quarters. Now coming to the next news, high dividend paying stocks. These are the stocks that have paid high dividend up to 55 times since 2011. So these are dividend is a share of profit and a retained earning that a company pays out to its shareholders. According to Stockage data, 10 stocks are paying a consistent dividend to their investors and have paid dividends up to 55 times since 2011. These are CRISIL, S&P Global company. CRISIL has paid 55 times dividend to its investors since 2011 and latest paid dividend was 7 per share. TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, has paid 54 times dividend to its investors since 2011 and the latest dividend paid by TCS was 24 per share. HCL Tech, it has paid 52 times dividend to its investors and the latest dividend paid by the HCL Tech was 18 per share. Page Industries has paid 94 times investors dividend to its investors and the latest dividend paid by the Page Industries is 60 per share. GMM Pfaudler has paid 47 times dividend to its investors since 2011. The latest dividend paid by GMM Pfaudler was ₹1 per share as well. Thank you so much for watching till end. Do like, share and subscribe for more Economic Times Prime daily news financial analysis series.